Hello students, so this is the amendment video for November 2023 exams. Now we have a PDF of November 23 exams which amendments and updates for advanced auditing and professional ethics CA final that ICI has uploaded. So I'll be very quick with this. So in company audit chapter, alright, you have this small company definition which I think everyone is clear about, that it is paid up share capital not exceeding 4 crores and turnover not exceeding 40 crore. This particular definition you have to take forward, alright, when it comes to small company. Okay. Now for audit committee and corporate governance there are lots of amendments as you can see over here, but let me tell you it is a copy paste of May 23 amendments only, and May 23 amendment audit committee was copy paste of November 22 amendment. Well, what happened basically in May 22 they updated modules. After that whatever is a new topic that they are giving in the form of amendments. All right, so that is how they've put it over here. So audit committee chapter remains same as November 22, May 23, it remains the same. I'll tell you where to find the videos and everything, don't worry. All right. Now after that we have, after audit committee discussions, we have NBFC amendments. NBFC topic was revised from May 23 onwards, and it is the same thing that they have continued in November 23 also. All right. Then when we move ahead, just that forensic audit topic, instead of forensic audit you have to use the word forensic accounting. Alright, so it is just a control F, find and then replace. Okay, then we have peer review chapter was heavily amended in May 23. There are already videos on YouTube of May 23, alright, which I have uploaded over there. You can see it from there. Even NBFC was uploaded on YouTube May 23. You can see it over there. All the description links I'll give it over here, alright. But I'll give you one more idea, wait. But let me just scroll through. Then we have some amendments in professional ethics, whereby they've included a few points. There is a 31 minutes amendment video which I shot for May 23, all right, and that remains same. This is still peer review going on. Yeah, professional ethics, that remains same for November 23, so you can see it from YouTube itself. However, if you want everything at one place, all right, you just stay connected with our YouTube channel, Telegram channel. I will repost the links in my Telegram channel also, all right. However, if you want everything at one place, there is one more way that I will suggest you. All right, what you can do is you can download my app. You can go to my website www.auditacademy.com, download my app from there, go to the courses section. All right, मेरा income नहीं देखने का, this is what that daily weekly figures and stuff. Okay, this is my admin access. What you can do is you can search for the course R5 or R6. R5 is for English, R6 is for Hindi. All right, so R6 over here, you can go to the content folder and you have to just scroll through. What I've done is I've unlocked the videos, alright, wherever there are some amendments and stuff. So as you can see, professional ethics over, so I've unlocked the amendment video over there, this particular amendment video at the end. Similarly, there is one folder called as, this is for my students, internal students, for them to remember, understand. There's audit of NBFCs, as you can see over here. I've unlocked it, alright, the video notes and stuff. Then you can also go to this May November 23 folder, alright, and peer review, quality review also have unlocked, just for the connection sake. Otherwise there are no amendments in quality review. Then you can see audit committee, tax audit, all of that also have unlocked, correct. So you can go over here also, you can see R5 is for English, R6 is for Hindi. The auditacademy.com, just go to my website and download my app. It is there on Android and App Store everywhere. So I'm connected with you across the whole ecosystem, or you can just come simply into my Telegram group, and you can also see the YouTube channel links which I've posted in the description of this particular video. But I hope that you are very clear that you have everything that you need to cover the amendments in the most sorted manner. Personally, if you take my advice, I would say that do it from the app, all right, so that you are not disturbed with other YouTube video recommendations, this and that and stuff, and you can finish it off at once. All right, thank you so much. Stay connected. We are going to come up with lots and lots of tips, techniques, and lots of revision notes, revision videos, which I already have. I will add some, all right, for November 23. So it is the last attempt in the old syllabus, in the existing syllabus, and let us clear it with a bang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.